Crafting engaging social media content. Hi everyone, this is Tabitha from the Define Marketing Podcast, bringing you today's quick marketing tip. Know your audience. Understand your audience's interest and preference to create content that resonates with them. The more you know about your audience, the better you can tailor your content to meet their needs. Create a content mix. Visual content tends to perform better on social media, so use high-quality images and videos to capture attention. Stories and live streams can provide a behind-the-scenes look at your business and engage your audience in real time. Some strategies for social media content include consistency, so maintaining a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and help build anticipation, keeping your brand top of mind. Share authentic and relatable content that resonates with your audience, building trust and fostering a deeper connection with your followers. And encourage interaction by creating polls and asking questions, running contests even. That interactive content can boost engagement and create a sense of community. The importance of planning and scheduling your content in advance, having things like a content calendar, helps you build that consistency, authenticity, and interactive content. It means that you have less issues with trying to remember what you're going to post and think about things on the fly. If you have everything scheduled, then you have better chance of actually ensuring you're posting consistently, on brand, and reaching out to your target audience. Crafting engaging social media content is key to building a strong online community presence. Know your audience and create a varied content mix and engage with your content regularly. Thank you for tuning into this quick tip. Stay tuned for more marketing insights from Define Marketing.